Of all that God gives us, how much does He claim as His own?
And all the tithe of the land, whether of the seed of the land or of the fruit of the tree, is the Lord's. It is holy unto the Lord. Will a man rob God? Yet ye have robbed me. But ye say, Wherein have we robbed thee? In tithes and offerings.
The earth belongs to God, and everything that fills it. Yet God is so loving that He gives you a portion of it to be responsible for. Out of that portion that He gives you, 90% of it is for you to do what your heart desires with it. Would God desire you to be responsible and to look to do certain things with the blessings He's given you? Of course. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it's your choice. However, the remaining 10% is not for you to do what your heart desires. That 10% is holy to the Lord and is to be given back to Him. By not doing so, the Bible declares that you're guilty of stealing from God.